Title: Grow, Nurturing the Seeds of Potential. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word grow. To grow is a verb that signifies the process of increasing in size, knowledge, or strength. It represents the gradual development and expansion of one's abilities and potential. Pronunciation: pronouncing grow is simple, grow, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, when we read books and learn new things, we grow our knowledge and understanding. Importance: growing is a fundamental part of life, as it allows us to adapt, evolve, and fulfill our potential in various aspects, including personal and professional growth. Conclusion: in summary, grow is a word that represents the ongoing process of personal and intellectual development, nurturing the seeds of potential within each of us. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word, exploration. Until then, embrace the power of growth in shaping your future.